How to take a screenshot in Telegram private channel. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can take a screenshot in Telegram's private channel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Telegram. So open up your Telegram, and after you open up your Telegram, you will need to head over to the private channel. After you're on the private channel, all you need to do is take a screenshot. Now, taking screenshot is not possible in Telegram private channel, but you can use your device's built-in screenshot to take a picture. So to do that, you can simply tap on your power button and your volume button at once to take a picture, that is a screenshot. You can also use your accessibility tool to simply head over to device, tap on more, and there you'll find the screenshot option. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can take a screenshot in Telegram's private channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.